are you trying to do? So good.
Did you just get that?
Huh?
Did you just get that?
Get what?
The thing she has.
No, I got that a couple of weeks ago. Just cracks me up the way she shakes. It makes the bells ring.
She had vogued all of that.
Ah,
You shivering?
She can't help it. She's so excited.
So you're shaking?
Be shaking. Oh, perfect. It's like jingle bells, man.
Let's get the jingle bells.
Hey, Max.
Come on, little boy. I'm ashamed.
Who's so pretty?
It's Mammy's girl. She's adorable.
You're getting too old for this, Pex. Oh, you got your own jingle bells? You mad at me? Turn your back. Alright, I'll come around to this side. I put her treats up there.
Wow, you did?
Yeah, I put a couple treats. I mean, I believe Santa was eating them. And then I put them down there.
Finish eating my coffee.
What you got? Who's that? The snowman? Look at the snowman. You like him, huh?